Genoa, birthplace of Christopher Columbus. We're going to just ramble around the city today and see the sights and go to the aquarium, which I'm really excited about. Minnie Mouse looks like she's on crack. Do you want to go in the Big O? So, this is where Christopher Columbus lived. Go into Christopher Columbus's house there, go on. It would have been very drafty.
It's good for the hot weather, yeah.
Right, we're in everyone's pictures.
I don't care. I'm not going to lie, I was expecting something a little bit more built. So it turns out this is actually Christopher Columbus's house. And that was just his back garden we were in. Do you want to get in? Look at this kid. It's like running through the fountain. So this must have been like a fancy street where they all had their mansions. I'm just following these people in here. I don't know what it is. They won't come in. It's a really nice house. He says who? People just walked in. I have no idea who owns this place, but we just rambled in. Actually, I just rambled in. Dennis was afraid. Probably going to get arrested for trespassing now. There's loads of people going in now.
Well, someone's going to come back from their lunch and there's going to be those people rambling around the house and doing all that.
See if I start that. I actually followed someone in, so it wasn't my fault. Like Max Verstappen flying down the road there. They have segways, and I said you should get a Segway, so off you go. Everything is covered in scaffolding. Those girls behind me on the steps were only meant to be in my picture. I don't normally wear a hat, so I'm not sure if it's working for me. My mother would love this. This is the Aquarium of Genoa. It's the largest aquarium in all of Europe, and I do love an aquarium, so I'm very excited. Dennis, baby shark, do 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 do. These are piranha. Dennis, put your finger in, see what happens. Trying to picture with the penguin. Are you going to touch a ray? These animals don't want to be touched.
Yeah, it's like finding Dory.
Can you touch the catfish? Touch it, touch it. There's a lot of people and it's very hot. Dennis forced loads of Italian kids out of the way to get some pictures. I've lost both Dennis and Patrick now, so I'm just going to ramble around the gift shop. Why do all of the plush toys look like they're stoned? So that was the aquarium. It was very busy. So if you're coming, I recommend that you come when it's off peak. So we had a nice time in Genoa. There was lots to see, so I probably would have liked some more time. But yeah, really nice city. Loved it.